Hello, it's me again. I just wanted to share with you something that's like crazy insane that people are doing on Pinterest and other social media sites too. If you're tired and late, it's late at night, and you find someone like this has followed you, where'd you go? Here it is. I just got a notification saying that Joyce Myers followed me. And the name they've used is Joyce Meyer Box. I have got to tell you, these people are real sleazy scammers. And they will try to get you to send them money and all kinds of stuff. Now, one way to kind of see, is this really who it is? 29 followers, 656 following, 47 monthly views. Okay, so they have very quickly uploaded a whole bunch of Joyce Myers things here. It seems okay to follow them, and a lot of people will just say, oh, there's Joyce Myers, I'll follow that. Man, I'm telling you, don't do that. I don't know if, here's me on Pinterest. I have a link to my blog there. I need to change that. 3 years cancer free. I'm now 4 years cancer free. And I'm working on a book called Across the Bridge, True Stories of Walking Dead. I am one of the Walking Dead. Here are a few things that I've created for my blogs, if you'd like to follow me. Now, look at me. I'm nobody, and I have 2.7K monthly views. So I'm asking you, do you really think that's Joyce Myers? I would like to thank the 116 followers that I have, including the fake account. I am following 578, and I hope that these are okay people to follow too. One Smiley Monkey, that's a good one to follow for sure. Baylor University, Budget Earth, I know them. So there's, quite a few different ones on the boards that I'm following. The Cozy, now this is how you can find Pinterest boards to join. I have joined this board, the Cozy Blogger board. This is the Cozy Bloggers Club. It's a community for cozy bloggers and creators. All niches, blogs, welcome. Follow and click join to be accepted. And please do not create your own sections or share anything that is against Pinterest community guidelines. So I haven't put anything on there yet. I've just been watching to see what people do. There are some very nice things on here too. Surviving Savannah by Patty Callahan, a book review. So people have put this, get your free printable travel planner. That looks interesting. A lot of interesting things there on the Cozy Bloggers. And you can see these pins look very nice compared to what I've created. I don't think I've done anything that's as nice as these. So I don't know if I should post anything there yet because I'm not very good at making these pins. But anyway, just a heads up. Just be very careful about who you follow because there is this little thing where people can chat with you and send you things when you follow them. Now, sometimes I'll thank people, say thank you for following. Once in a while, I will send a pin to people. And this person, Allison, 12 weeks ago, I had messaged her and I said, that's a really cool hat that you made. And she sent, so I said, it was the beginning of conversation. So I had to let me know how the hat pattern works for you. I'd like to try it, but lost my crochet hooks and could only find knitting needles. Giant tiger the other day. And she says, you mean this one? A velvet bear hat, a free crochet pattern. And so this, there is a bit of a social media platform aspect to this, but you have to watch out who you chat with. So there's quite a few things you can do on Pinterest. I found out years ago when I jumped onto Pinterest full blast that unfortunately when I put pins there, a lot of people would just pop into my blog like they were flitting as a butterfly from flower to flower. It increased my bounce rate, and that wasn't great because it dropped my site like way down in ranking. So, little bit not too sure about the wisdom of sending people to your blog or website from Pinterest. Maybe you'd like to get back to me and let me know what you think. But you're wondering if you haven't seen these things here, then you might want to be setting up your business account on Pinterest. That's something we can talk about another day, but I just wanted to show you that was like something really kind of weird and cray. So, as I say, keep your eyes open. We must be as sly as a serpent and as gentle as a dove. Be careful out there. There's some weird, wacky people out there.